Everyone starts at the absolutely bottom, and for me, that meant spending my weekends breaking up messy fights outside the loudest, rowdiest local nightclub in my hometown. You quickly learn that dealing with drunk, aggressive people requires way more patience and de-escalation skills than actual physical strength or martial arts training. Denying entry to people who are already way too intoxicated becomes your primary superpower during these chaotic, exhausting late-night shifts at the front door. Standing on your feet for 8 straight hours in the freezing cold makes you realize you definitely want to climb higher up this security career ladder.
I knew it was time to level up my career, so I packed my bags, took advanced training courses, and officially entered the world of private security.
Moving up to level 2 meant guarding priceless physical assets instead of rowdy crowds, which turned out to be an entirely different kind of intense psychological pressure. You quickly realize that real-world security threats don't look like action movies. Instead, they involve clever, quiet people trying to sneak past your blind spots. Spending long, quiet hours staring intently at security monitors teaches you how to spot the tiniest anomalies in human behavior before a crime even happens. Securing a multi-million-dollar vault gives you a massive rush of professional pride, but human targets were waiting for me at the very next level. My solid reputation for protecting valuable assets finally caught the attention of high-profile clients, launching me directly into the wild world of personal celebrity protection. Protecting famous celebrities looks incredibly glamorous from the outside, but it actually requires dealing with massive, unpredictable crowds of screaming fans every single day. Fan culture can turn dangerous in a single split second, meaning you have to constantly scan the crowd for overzealous individuals pushing past boundaries. Mastering the art of the quick exit is absolutely essential, because getting trapped in an aggressive crowd is a bodyguard's absolute worst nightmare. Clear communication with your driving team is what separates a successful celebrity detail from a total security disaster on the chaotic city streets. You frequently end up acting as a glorified personal assistant, carrying heavy shopping bags and managing eccentric diva demands just to keep your client happy. Hours before the celebrity even arrives at a venue, you must personally walk the entire location to scout out every single potential escape route. Aggressive paparazzi will literally hide in bushes and jump out of nowhere, forcing you to maintain absolute focus during your entire shift.
Seeing your client successfully complete a massive public event without a single security incident makes all the intense stress completely worth it.
Transitioning to international corporate security meant trading screaming fans for silent, high-stakes global threats that required a completely different, sophisticated approach. Level 4 is the ultra-exclusive world of executive protection, where you shield billionaires whose wealth makes them massive targets for global kidnapping plots.
At this level, you never operate alone, working instead as a highly synchronized team where every single person covers a specific threat sector.
International travel logistics become your daily life, requiring you to constantly analyze geopolitical risks and local crime rates before landing anywhere.
Driving isn't just about getting from point A to B anymore. It involves advanced evasive maneuvers to escape potential ambushes and vehicle pursuits. You have to blend in perfectly with high society, acting more like a polite diplomat than a tough guy while maintaining total situational awareness. Counter-surveillance becomes a massive part of your daily routine, constantly looking out for anyone tracking your client's regular daily patterns. Protecting a billionaire means dealing with digital threats too, ensuring their physical location data never leaks online to potential criminal organizations. Sweeping hotel rooms for hidden listening devices and cameras becomes second nature before your client ever steps foot inside the building.
Keeping a corporate titan completely safe during a high-stakes international summit is the ultimate proof of your elite executive protection capabilities.
But the absolute highest peak of the bodyguard world still awaited me, coming in the form of an official government recruitment offer. Welcome to Level 5, the absolute pinnacle of the security profession, where you protect the leader of the entire nation. The scale of operations here is completely mind-blowing, involving hundreds of agents collaborating perfectly to secure a single public appearance.
Rooftop sniper teams and advanced threat detection units monitor every single square inch of the surrounding area with absolute mathematical precision. Driving the president requires managing a massive, heavily armored motorcade designed to withstand literal military-grade explosive attacks on the road. You are constantly linked directly to global military intelligence networks, receiving live updates about potential security threats in real time.
Even the president's food is meticulously tracked and inspected by specialized security personnel to completely eliminate any risk of poison.
You must be willing to endure extreme physical discomfort and maintain absolute vigilance, regardless of how terrible the weather conditions get. The mental burden is immense, because you have ultimately taken an oath to lay down your own life to protect the presidency. Surviving this intense career journey from a local club bouncer to a presidential guardian is an honor very few people ever achieve. From the nightclub doors to the highest halls of power, that is what it truly takes to protect the world's most valuable targets. If you enjoyed this one, you're going to love what's coming up next. I've picked out this specific video just for you. Click right here to keep the momentum going. See you over there!